My name is Metsiseito Banda. I, I study at the Clinton Rodan Peruvian America School. In this time of pandemic, we have been studying from home. My school has given me the tools to continue improving myself, even when the situation is difficult. I feel calm because I know this will happen. I am surrounded by my family, my teachers, who are with us in this process. Congratulations, Miss Payam, for your page in teaching us the English language. Thank you.
My trip to New York. Hello, my name is Sofia. I am in first grade of secondary, and today I will talk about my long holidays trip in the month of July. When I went on a vacation trip to New York with my mom, my dad, and my big brother Jose Manuel. The first thing that I saw in the city were the buildings that were very high. My hotel was close to the Broadway theaters, and I liked that very much. When I entered the hotel, I was impressed by everything. It was luxury. My room was big but wasn't there for long. I went to buy on the Fifth Avenue. All that avenue had very recognized brands, give folk some things. Then I went to the Empire State, the largest building in New York. That is a viewpoint of the city from there. Looks beautiful. The next day we went to see the Statue of Liberty, but we couldn't sit because we forgot to buy the tickets of the cruise. So we went for the ferry data. I like a lot because I could talk with people from other countries. And also I found $10 which I used to buy pencil and candies. When I was done at night and we had to return to the hotel, everything looked colorful. It seems it was it was daytime, but also at night in the city of Manhattan was a very dangerous, so we took a taxi because guy went to eat pizza. Nyam nyam. The third day was great, but also a little fear because we were going to the museum of the Twin Towers and the rain gotten I as and it began a few turns for that. We had to wait at train station. Again intended we were eager to see it museum of the Twin Towers, which seemed to me incredible, and we ended by seeing the Brooklyn Bridge. And the next I had to return to my dear Lima, but my trip was great and also all that I happened was with my family and it was worth more than anything. sense.
Environmental problem.
Our Earth is threatened by serious environmental problems such as pollution and deforestation. I feel that all young people should get involved and help to protect it. Firstly, environmental work would benefit young people in the future. It would be an excellent opportunity for them to learn valuable teamwork skills and gain a greater sense of responsibility.
The six most polluted places in Peru: San Juan del Lurigancho, Chilca, Villa María del Triunfo, Caraballo, El Agustino.
Good morning, teachers
Comas.
and students. My name is Adrián Reyes. I study in the school Clinton Rohan, and I am in 4th grade of secondary. And today I'm gonna do a speech about the deforestation. That is the topic that I'm gonna explain. Before I start explain you, I'm gonna talk about 3 points. The first is what is the deforestation, the concept of that, then what is happening, and then some recommendations to fight the deforestation. So we start. What is deforestation? The deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that are lost for other use, such as agriculture, roadlands, urbanization, or mining activities. What means that? That the deforestation means that there's a lot of companies that go to the forest and cut all the trees or the majority of part of the trees that are in the forest to get the wood. So the wood is a very famous material in all the world. So there's a lot of fields that are making with wood. We have, for example, the chairs, etc. Well, what is happening? Small farmers cut down a few acres of trees in order to grow crops or let their animals graze. That means that there's create a little competition, if we can say that. Why? Because there's a lot of companies, no, and go to the forest, cut the trees, and then these companies sell to other companies the wood. So this is like a little competition because if the companies cut more trees and do more deforestation, they have more money, but they doesn't think that we are destroying our planet and the habitat of a lot of animals. And finally, I am gonna explain you some recommendations to fight the deforestation. First, we have take part in tree planting days to replace some of the lost trees. Then recycle paper and buy recycled paper products. Eat less meat or check where it has come from the food that we eat. Before I finish, I want to do a reflection that we have to take care of our planet and we have to think more, because when the companies do the deforestation, destroy not only our planet, we are destroying the habitat of a lot of animals that live in the forest. For example, we have the bears, the pandas, the koalas. So we have to take care more our planet, the habitats of the animals, and our life. Thank you.
Angie, empieza.
Good morning. The Dinosaur Museum warning. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I am planning to visit the dinosaur museum tomorrow and I'm calling for some information.
Sure, Angie.
Sure. What would you like to know?
Where? First, what are the opening hours?
Hours. What are
Hours.
the
The,
hours?
the museum is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week.
How much does it cost to get?
Por favor, repite porque se escucha entrecortado, Max, por favor.
Okay, miss. How much does it cost to get um
In.
in?
Okay, Angie.
It's $10 for adults and $50 for children.
Oh, ask one more thing. What is the best way to get there by car?
Oh, it's easy. Just hit for 10 police. Town center on WY 100 and continue straight.
Right. 100. Right.
1 minute, just a moment. WY 120 and continue straight. Now, Max.
The Y 120. Right.
YW, sorry, WY,
The right.
WY
WY. Right.
120.
120. Right.
Good. Okay, Angie.
Yes, that is. Can I help you with anything else?
No. Can I help you with anything else? Repeat, Angie, please.
Can I help you with anything else?
No. Can I help you with? No, with.
Can I help you with anything else?
Else. Elsie, no. Else.
Else.
Good. Now, Max.
No, I think that's L. Can you?
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the museum.
Okay, ¿puedes repetir una vez más? Can you repeat, Angie, please? Once again. One more time, please, Angie.
You're
Last-
welcome.
Okay.
Enjoy your visit to the museum.
Thank you. Thank you, Angie. Thank you, Max.
Hi, my name is Luz. I'm a student of 5th year of secondary. I want to tell you about a festival of Cusco, Fiesta Jubilar of Cusco. Celebrations in the great imperial city are carried out during the whole month of Jan, where every day incredible traditional activities are done in the city, such as the competition of traditional dances. Inti Raymi. This is a traditional festival of the sun, in which the Incas worshipped. The festival also coincides with the winter solstice and the harvest. The celebrations begins with a dramatization in the Coricancha temple, and the festivities continue at the fortress of Sacsayhuamán. It takes place in Cusco on the 24th of Jan and is an experience that is well worth witnessing.